The church plays an important role in teaching its congregants not only on the spiritual nourishment but also in general life issues.
Mali hapa sikutaka ili niheshimiwe.
Presbyterian Church in Kirinyaga County had a free medical camp yesterday in its compound for its congregants to take health checkups. The Githiero Church held the medical camp after their day's health main service. Speaking to a Kirinyaga-based correspondent, Rose Gichove, the chairperson of the health department in the parish who was conducting the exercise, said that they were screening for diabetes, hypertension, and were also administering the warming tablets.
Giving the dewormers, and we are taking BP, and then also we are testing we are taking the blood sugars, and we are trying to assist the congregants about how they can control their sugars, how they can be healthy. Even as Christians also should be healthy, and that's why we have decided to have this camp here. We are having the warmers, our bedazole tablets, and these ones we are giving to all the people starting from 2 years and above. We are testing blood sugars from the age of over 50.
According to Mr. Andrew Ndijo, an elder and a registrar, it was a privilege to have the parish health committee in their congregation and that it was open to all.
And today we are privileged to have the parish health committee with us in the congregation, and they have promised that they'll take blood pressure for everybody who is willing, also blood sugars for anybody above 50 years, and also there are some dewormers for all people in the congregations. In the congregation, we are so grateful for this gesture, and we are so happy that our members will have to enjoy a good health from a parish kitty.
On his side, Dr. John Gichuki, an elder and the patron of the health committee, also requested men to normalize taking regular health checkups.
The experience that we have had today, we have seen them come, and they come in a big number. Yes.
The members of the PCEA Church were thankful for the free medical camp.
Tunafurahi siku ya leo kwa kuwa tunachungwa maslahi yetu ya mwili. Tuna madaktari amekuja kutupima na tunasikia tuko na furaha sana.
Okay.
Nimeshukuru sana kuona hii mambo inaenda barabara, serikali imefanya mambo mazuri, imeleta kipimo hapa na nimeshukuru sana.
Monica Kariuki reporting for RNC.